Welcome to the Miramar shopping center in Fuengirola, one of the largest and most popular shopping destinations on the Costa del Sol. Located just off the A7 motorway and only a short distance from Fuengirola town center, this modern mall has something for everyone, whether you're looking for fashion, entertainment, or a bite to eat. One of the best things about Miramar is how easy it is to get here. If you're driving, there's plenty of free parking available, over 2,700 spaces, both outdoors and in the underground car park. For those using public transport, the local L1 bus line runs directly from the center of town to the shopping center, making it convenient for everyone. Inside, Miramar offers a huge range of shops, over 140 stores in total. Whether you're looking for the latest fashion trends, electronics, home decor, or beauty products, you'll find brands like Zara, Primark, Han, and Media Markt all under one roof. It's the perfect place to spend a few hours browsing or picking up some new items. After all that shopping, you're bound to work up an appetite. Miramar's food court offers a wide selection of restaurants and cafes to choose from. Whether you fancy a quick snack, international cuisine, or traditional Spanish tapas, there's something to satisfy every craving. And if you're with the kids, there are plenty of family-friendly options too. But Miramar isn't just about shopping. For entertainment, there's a multi-screen cinema showing the latest films, often in English, as well as a fun children's play area. During the holiday seasons, the center goes all out with special decorations and events, making it a great spot for families. Located just a 10-minute drive from the center of Fuengirola and right off the main A7 motorway, Miramar Shopping Center is incredibly accessible whether you're coming from Malaga, Marbella, or anywhere along the coast. Its convenient location and wide range of shops and services make it a top shopping destination for locals and tourists alike. So, whether you're looking for a great shopping experience, a place to relax with family, or just a convenient stop during your day in Fuengirola, Miramar Shopping Center has you covered. With its variety of stores, easy access, and plenty of parking, it's definitely worth a visit.